Here I have ZTE Blade V50, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So firstly, you should open Files application, like this File Manager or just like Files by Google. Okay, I guess let's go for the File Manager. So you can transfer like pictures, audios, videos, packages, archives, documents. So let's transfer some pictures, for example this one. So firstly you should select it by holding down your finger on it. Then when it's selected, select if you want to copy it or if you want to move it. So let's copy. Then select where to, in our case to SD card. Select any folder you like, could be pictures for me, tap paste. And now you have this picture on your SD card. Just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.